Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed sabzi. First, gather all your fresh vegetables like carrots, potatoes, peas, and green beans. Make sure they are thoroughly washed and chopped into bite-sized pieces. Also, prepare your aromatic spices such as cumin, turmeric, and garam masala. Have cooking oil, ginger garlic paste, and onions ready for the next step. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large pan or kadaï over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Next, add your finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Then, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. It's time to add some flavor. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, or adjust to your taste. Immediately add all your chopped mixed vegetables and mix everything thoroughly, ensuring the spices coat the vegetables evenly. Pour in about 1/4 cup of water, cover the pan, and let it cook on medium heat until the vegetables are tender. Almost done. Once the vegetables are tender, stir in 1 teaspoon of garam masala for that wonderful aromatic finish. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped coriander leaves. Give it a final taste and adjust the salt if needed. Your delicious homemade mixed sabzi is now ready to be served hot. It pairs perfectly with roti, naan, or a simple bowl of rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.